Sorry about that. If this is what car crashes would look like in real life, mortality rate would go up.
Oh wait, no, you're still like it. You're just down.
Oh.
Hold on, I need to see this. Don't leave your tractor. I need to get closer and document this.
I'm pegging on for too long. Scar, help me! Long live the king. Oh, there we go.
Oh, no, now you're normal.
Maybe if I just collision you more. Keep going. Just... Gosh, this guy on the highway.
Oh, is that sulfur? Oh.
This guy on the highway, he's really just... Move out the way!
Oh, I've just gridlocked us.
Oh! Alright.
Alright.
Force me. A dog spawned inside my car.
Oh! Imagine you're just driving down the road, all of a sudden you hear, bark!
This one?
Yes, that one.
I have a need
for speed.
Sink. Q.
Oh, we
jelly
have
pen.
we have company.
You guys are not nice.
Oh! That's exactly what it is. It's when someone is able to provide collision. Yeah, I'm
Just collision madness. Hi. How you doing over here?
not well. Nope. Oh, did you disassemble it?
Yes, I did.
Okay. I'm like, did I just make the track? And in my next act...
There you go. There's the tractor back.
Oh, thank you.
And in my next act...
There's an alpha charger right on the peak. And I think... Oh, I can get him. Oh, he didn't like that.
Yeah, I'm sure he didn't. Shot him with a gun.
What? I like how it's specifically a gun.
He didn't like that. Yeah, I wouldn't either. How come you're not allowed to place that ladder? Or that conveyor belt?
Apparently... Oh, it's because I'm standing on it. Jump, 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Look, I don't even have to walk. It's like my sister with escalators. Look, I don't even have to move. Well, if you did, it would be a lot faster.
Hi.
Do you see anything in my hand?
Bacon.
Okay, well, I can't see any bacon in my hand. It's gone.
Okay.
I also can't see a sword. I can't use it.
Oh. How did that happen?
Ooh. It looks like I'm just holding out my hand. Come with me.
You
Well,
are.
I shouldn't hold my hand there. Come with me. I'll show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, when did your heart desire?
Okay, it's gonna be like right in the... Oh, wow.
Whole new world.
Do you see the graphic glitches that I'm seeing?
I see...
Oh, I see the sulfur.
I see a beacon. Someone must have killed a wither. So, like, if I drive my car off this cliff, I won't take any damage, right? Oh, I hit a tree. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, this place is pretty. Josh, you kept this from me for years.
I don't even know where you are right now.
How have you kept this place from me? There's a blue slug! And it's dark and gloomy.
Oh! I did it again!
I found a paleberry. You did what?
I flew the tractor again. And I...
how far?
Look on the map, and this is me getting off very quick.
Where have you gone?
I need you to come get me.
I'm not gonna get you. Ow. I found the sulfur, it's just normal. There's an alpha charger. Are you dead?
Yes. Yes, that's why I need you to come get me. Because I fell from cruising altitude. The tractor is up there still.
Is it?
Yes. Because I unlogged from it, it technically is no longer movable. So it's just in the air.
It's not actually Dr. Pepper that you're drinking. It's Dr. Pepper's Monster. What is going on? I see something pop up and it's like radiation level, getting hit by something, hostiles in the air. I'm like, okay. I literally just walked right into the underworld itself. Oh! This is unsafe. I found a purple power slug.
Oh, yeah, okay.
With 2 alpha, sorry, my apologies. 3 alpha spitters. And uranium everywhere.
We probably found actual uranium nodes.
There's uranium nodes?
Yeah, that's how you get nuclear power plants. What, you think you just go around the world picking up stray blocks of uranium?
Yeah, that's clearly how this works. There are no nodes. I just see a lot of uranium pieces. Oh, I just, like, jumped off a cliff.
Well, don't die.
I did.
Alright.
This gives me time to wallow in my sorrow while my body violently twerks.
Oh my god. Oh, that's the worst part. You weren't even all that far from me.
I know, I can see you right next to me.
The tractor, it says it's driving.
It says it's driving? This is perfection.
I hope
this game is awful and I love it. Where are you? Gosh, you're taking forever.
I have to rebuild a tractor. I don't have...
Oh yeah, 'cause you don't have one.
I don't have one, and I don't have legs, or not. I have legs. I don't have the exoskeleton. So
I don't have good legs.
Yeah.
We removed a threat. I am just continuously twerking on the ground.
Oh, nope, he's here, and okay. He spawned in, and I ran into him immediately. Thankfully, I didn't glitch out this time.
Yeah, otherwise you might have died. And that wouldn't have been good.
To be fair, the only reason I died is because I bailed from the tractor at cruising altitude.
You know what I want? I want some fried cheese curds.
Okay.
Got any fried cheese curds?
No.
Like at all?
No, not on me.
You don't have any on you?
No.
No, well, you're no use.
I can see the tractor. I'm by the power plant and I can see the tractor in the sky.
Oh god.
Did you ever figure
Tractor in the sky?
Yeah, it's our god now.
It's like the holding crafty table.
Yeah, it is. The holding tracty
table.
No, the holding yeah, never mind. I was trying to think of something with like floating. The floaty tracty, or the floater tracty. The floater tracting. There we go. Instead of floating tractor, it's floater tracting. Found a colony of hogs.
Gosh, you can't call them that anymore. They're people. That was a bad joke, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
By the way, I flipped over, somehow.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's because I'm very slowly going downwards.
Oh. So what you're saying is eventually you would have made it into the water.
I don't know, I think it flattens out before that. I deserve that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Did you not notice I was right here?
No, I thought you were on top of the area.
You actually just ran me over?
Yes.
Unknowingly?
Yes. It's okay if I...
Jeez.
I'm trying. It's okay if I did it knowingly. It's just that I didn't know. Ow, hey.
You deserved that. Don't back up to me with your tractor.
Okay, have you... Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Why... How did you do 2?
Hmm?
How did you spawn in 2?
I didn't.
Oh, I saw... There's one there.
Where?
There's one in the water.
Yeah, that's the one I'm on.
Oh.
I think I'm just gonna go for the sulfur and you just, like, process. Radiation level!
Oh, cool.
I hate it when I get the radiation jump scares. Ow! That was offensive. I'm gonna call my lawyer.
Do you have any wire?
Yeah.
Okay, this might work.
I got a lot of wire.
Alright, this might work. Hand me your wire.
Alright. Take me out to dinner first or something.
No, sorry. Cable. Not copper wire, the other stuff.
That's all I got, man.
Oh, darn it.
How do we get up here?
I need to borrow your legs.
My what?
Because I have to collect the crate, and I can't
Use
climb.
me, sir. There you go.
I promise I'll give you your legs back.
Sitting on the floor. Can you sit if you have no... Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna say that.
My legs.
Yes. My
All right.
Oh, I found it.
Yeah. It's just there.
Get the rebar gun.
As you command.
That wasn't getting that far. That thing's way too high. Yeah, it's a little too high for that.
Hold on, if I give it an arc. No. Well, now we have a reason to get the better guns.
Ink? No, that's the purple power slug I was talking about. That's all the uranium.
Where?
Right down there.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah, right down there.
Don't you dare.
No! Don't do it to me!
No, I'm going down very slowly.
I'm waiting for you. Whenever you're ready. What you up to here?
Ooh!
Okay. I'll protect you.
No, you won't.
My noble steed.
Oh.
I didn't die, at least. You broke my fall. Thank you.
Now to the sulfur. Da la la la.
Like breathing in sulfur.
Oh, I got myself stuck. Okay.
Like breathing in sulfur. I don't know how that song goes. I like that song though. If I jump into water, will it hurt? Nope.
No, usually you just like slide.
I asked you and then I just went for it.
Yeah.
So.
There's a closer sulfur node than to where you went.
Well, screw you, I guess. I like mine better. Guess what it was?
The bad, weird things that produce the gas. Did you forget them already?
Did you know that in World War II the Germans used those?
Not gas chambers! God.
Remember that?
My
Remember when that happened?
God!
Yeah. You said my name.
Oh, wow, okay. Don't insult the tractor to its face.
To its face. What is it? All hearing, all seeing, all knowing, omnipotent?
Yes!
I was just running through some poison real quick.
Oh. Did you need your daily amount as recommended by the FDA? Be anything but trains, sadly.
Trains?
Oh, did I not tell you that there's trains in this?
Trains?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright, so now you want to know what the great thing is?
No.
We gotta bring this back up to the power plant.
This sulfur?
Yes.
Can I just, like, pick it up and bring it? Clearing things out is my job.
It is.
I actually work in an obesity factory, so I clear out the population a little bit. Ow! Sir! Sir! Sir, this is not okay. I don't remember consenting to this, sir.
That's why it's called. That's why it's unauthorized hostility.
My apologies. Authorized hostility in the area. Alright, man. I ate my last bacon. So you better not freaking kill me. Oh, 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 whoa, whoa. Whoa! Dude, whoa! Whoa! Whoa, dude, whoa! Sick moves, bro! He's breakdancing over here.
Oh, is it a Titan Charger?
Yeah. He's just like going places over here, dude.
He's going places.
I'm just gonna let him do his thing, really rock out, man. Where'd he go? Oh, and he's flying. Alright. Our freaking campsite is right next to the airport. Right next to the pasture where all the planes graze.
I'm just picturing that. Oh! Oh! Okay, hogs can... Oh! That was awesome.
You ever get in your big old Chevy tractor and just strap the back of your George Foreman grill to it? Put some wheels on that bad boy.
Not the George Foreman grills.
I don't have any friends. That's the twist of the story.
Oh, I see.
I'm actually lonely. How much of this area did you want cleared out?
That looks to be about good.
Are you here?
I can see it. I haven't managed to get too far yet.
I thought you were just gonna... Just whatever I have been doing is just, that's good enough.
I shouldn't have said anything. That would have been funny.
Are you here? No. I've just heard the chainsaw running. Why can't I just, like, leave the chainsaw on and just run around chopping all the leaves off the floor?
Because that wastes fuel and Fix It is all about not wasting things. Literally, the slogan is Fix It does not waste.
Freaking capitalists. Haha, that was a joke, American government. Please don't assassinate me.
You don't want another Red Scare?
Oh, I don't want to start it, at least.
You're the reason.
Hey, remember the Red Scare?
That was me.
City in the Midwest? No. Now, I've seen a couple of kids at school who I'm just like, you look like you're not from the Midwest at all. Or at least this part of the Midwest. And they'll be like talking in a southern accent, and I'm like, that accent is not real. Please stop. I'm going to jail.
Why?
I'm pretty sure cutting down this much foliage isn't legal.
Oh, you see my beacon?
No. Oh, you? You're dead?
Yes.
What did you do now?
Mountain climbing.
Ah, I see.
You're not going to be able to get up here with the tractor.
What do you mean?
I'm in a very weird place.
You know, everybody's in a weird place sometimes. That doesn't mean a tractor can't fix it.
The tractor.
I'm sure I wouldn't need antidepressants if someone said, "Would you like a free tractor?"
No, but that tractor, you have to remember, that tractor would not be this. That tractor would be a boring tractor.
Oh, boring tractor.
Okay, I will be back in a second. I gotta get a water quick. Will you find my dead body?
Fantastic. Remember that part when I said I might die and I didn't?
Please don't tell me. Oh. What are you doing?
Welcome back to the Living
okay.
Plane.
Thank you.
Objective, complete phase 2. What is that?
That's what we need to give the overlords who will... Not the tractor, just to clarify.
Right.
and they will then provide us with what we need to get to fuel, which means jetpack.
Interesting.
Because, yeah, we have the jetpack, we just don't have the fuel for said jetpack. Or the ability to make said fuel for said jetpack.
Why would they do that to us?
Because they don't like us.
Is it us or is it you?
It's probably me.
Because I think most people like me. That's not good. I think most people don't like me. But I've been proven wrong many times, so...
Oh, these are pure nodes, okay.
Yeah, I know, because I found them.
No, the iron.
I know. I have that, a racist song.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
I didn't realize you were standing on top of me. I jumped. No, that's fine. I just, I wish you had told me because I jumped, and then I, like, flew.
Oh, yeah.
And I was very confused.
I have that racist song from Pocahontas stuck in my head right now.
I didn't know such a thing existed.
Yeah, in the movie, they're like, the white colonists are yelling, like, they're savages, and they're evil, and they're nothing good, and we hate them because we're racist.
Oh, alright. Understandable.
Yeah, and I've got that stuck in my head for obvious reasons. Not that I condone that sort of violence, but I entirely condone that sort of violence.
Alright, that's...
You're recording all of this.
Yes, I am.
I should be more careful with the words I say.
No, it's a...
Is it chat?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Never mind then.
Did you think I couldn't?
I don't know.
It's called chat, not notepad.
Well, I thought maybe you would only see it if you opened it.
Oh.
Notepad.
Oh, are we riding into the moonlight?
More like riding into the moon.
You mean into Saturn?
That Saturn is in no way far enough away for these two planets not to collide unless that Saturn is incredibly small. Bonk.
That's assuming this is a planet. This is probably a moon.
Oh, you're right.
Moons can harbor life. I mean, look at Pandora. Do you know the amount of people in my class, like, between, like, when the movie stuttered because the internet's so bad and stuff, that are like, Pandora's a planet. No, it's a moon. It's a planet. It's a moon.
Who cares? It's clearly a moon.
I know.
They say... I don't think they say in the movie, but... there's art online that shows. There's also art online that, like, official art.
And it's orbiting a planet. That is the definition of a moon.
And also, if you see in the background, there's oftentimes planets.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But yeah, Avatar is the #1 grossing movie of all time. I found that strange, because why? Yes, it's a decent film. No, it doesn't have a memorable story. I didn't remember a single thing about the story until I'd watched it again. So that's strange. And also the characters' names are not memorable. And I looked it up online, and the only reason that people are saying it's as popular as it was is because it looks really nice. And I'm like, there's no way that just because okay, it was made in 2009 and it still looks really good to this day, which is strange. But why? Why is it so popular?
That you're gonna be like, why does it still look good? So good. Why? Why?
14 years ago, and it looks amazing. But why is it the highest movie of all time? Wrote and directed the project, having begun work on it in 1994.
God, could you imagine working on a movie for 15 years?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, all I'm seeing is just, it looks good. It is claimed that many people... At the end, they were all like, oh, it was a joke, it was supposed to be bad, it was ironic, haha.
That's about right.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Yeah, me too. Are you able to get out of Discord this time?
Wait, I have to go to Discord. Alright, bye. Yeah.